People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now.
Tony provided incredible service and was very accommodating to my situation. He sent Eduardo and Marco, who both stayed late, to ensure everything was in order. They did a fantastic job repairing my wall unit. Hands down, the best AC company in LA. I highly recommend them.
We work hard to ensure everyone is happy and satisfied with our service, and we will work just as hard for you too. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.